Yeah, what's up, world? This your boy Hater Proof coming through. Get y'all my hot 16 on this high power shit, you know what I'm saying? I've been in the news tonight, so your boy in his mind a little bit, cause government on some corrupt shit. Ain't nobody paying attention to it, so I'm gonna speak what's on my mind a little bit. Check me. I'm on a mission to making it is my mission. So these niggas want me gone cause they waiting on my position. If they knew what I knew, then these haters would pay attention. Cause when you get to success, trying to fail you be their intentions. And I knew this day would come cause I listen and learn. Keep waiting your turn cause our life is full of politics. Keep changing these laws to fit out their acknowledgements. But our nation is falling apart, man, acknowledge this. I'm tired of playing my game, this is my brain. When I spit like Twitter, they follow it. Like green grass, I put up with a lot of shit. And real talk, they all keep feeding us bullshit. I keep a criminal mind, but to murder innocent men, then walk away like it's Zimmerman. That's some hoe shit, but oh shit, I guess I'm on the wrong shit. They keep feeding us lies, these laws keep giving us time, setting us up to see our demise. We see they deny, they breaking up our United States. But if we don't stay united, it's gonna be easy for our lives to take. I need a break just to ease my mind. You need to read between the lines instead of seeking Illuminati signs. Can't lead the blind, not to lead the blind. You need to read between the lines instead of seeking Illuminati signs, for real.